What is up, YouTube? Just got in the mail my new Injora steering link brass for the Traxxas TRx4m. Follow along as we get this bad boy thrown in here. See how it looks. Alright, there's 3 screws holding the factory link on. One here, one here, one here. Go ahead and pop them off, set your screws aside. On the new one, the Enduro logo will be facing up, so if you're looking at your truck from the bottom, you won't see the logo. You'll put a O-ring on, press it through, put the other O-ring on to hold it in place. The bushing, or whatever the heck you want to call it, in the center is taller than these two. So 2 are the same, those are for your ends, the taller one is for the center. Enduro logo goes away. Alright, don't tighten anything down, just get it started. Have it catch a couple threads just to hold it in place. Do the same thing in the center. And then on the other side. Don't tighten anything until all 3 are started. That will help avoid any kind of binding you might have. Okay, we're not getting started there. There we go. Caught it that time. Finish our last side there.
One more screw.
Now that you got them all in place, go ahead and start to tighten them. Once you got them all bottomed down, go back, tighten them equally. Don't be a gorilla. You don't need to tighten these that much. Okay, that was good. That was good. Last but not least, sorry if my big fucking hands are in the way. All right. You should have all 3 screws in place. Get you a little more clearance right here, as well as adding obviously more weight to the front with the brass. After looking back online in the center here, if you notice on the top, it's thicker than the bottom. Make sure you put that bushing in that way. I had it the wrong way. All right, I grabbed the transmitter. We'll go full lock. Full lock. These are 62 millimeter tires, and they still clear all the way on that. Awesome. Let's see if I can get you a better look. And it looks freaking sweet. Sorry about my headlights. Super cool. Love the way it looks. That's the only piece I ordered in all brass. The diff covers, everything else I went in black brass. I thought it looked pretty rad to have a little bit more up there, especially with the wheels. Super pumped. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, give it a comment if I did anything stupid. I appreciate it.